tell us your name and tell us what you're making. Yeah, the big picture.
Hi, I'm Vui. I'm at home and we're making sweet potato fries today. It takes about an hour. Preheat your oven to 425 and let's get your knife and get ready. All you need is 2 sweet potatoes, salt, and olive oil. Oven is preheating, time to cut our fries. So what you want to do is cut the dry ends off. And then cut the potato diagonally in half. Be careful not to cut yourself. And lay them flat on the cutting board. And cut them into a 1/4 inch disc, like this. Here goes another big piece. There we go. And then cut them into thin strips. And finish the rest. And it never hurts to get some help from my little minions. Cut, girls.
Hard.
A little hard. You need some help?
It's thick.
I'll do this one. Good job.
Can you take this one?
Will you use my knife?
No, thank you. I'll use it.
So cutting fries take a little bit of muscle work, but we're finished. And now we're ready to add salt and olive oil. Girls, you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Maybe, let's see, 2 tablespoons per bowl. That's how much fries we get from 2 potatoes. A little salt, maybe 1/4 teaspoon each. So this is how much fries we have for 2 potatoes, girls. Will you help me toss these? There you go.
Feels so weird.
Get it nicely coated with oil. Yes. Feels a little off. Coat them up nicely. And let's put them on the baking sheet. So I got them on these baking sheets spread apart so they don't overcrowd one another. And let's pop them in the oven. Girls, let's set the timer for 20 minutes. While the fries are cooking, we're going to make an avocado dip to go with it.
But first, a little cleanup. So, Mommy, what do you need?
So for the avocado dip, we're going to need 1 avocado, half a lemon, some salt, cayenne pepper, and maybe a little bit of olive oil.
Okay, Mommy, how do you do the avocado?
You're going to cut it in half, sideways, like this. Twist it. There's your seed. Oh, twist it. Take the seed off. Put it in here. Score the avocado. Both halves. Scoop it out. Get everything. Now cut your lemon in half. Squeeze it into the avocado. Let's season the avocado with a little salt. A 1/4 teaspoon. Cayenne pepper. Just a little dash. Now girls, smash.
This feels so weird.
Looks good. Ready to go. Tastes delicious. Put in your favorite little bowl. And let's check those fries.
At 20 minutes, flip the fries, and then cook them for 20 more minutes.
Excuse me, Baba. All right. All done. These look great. Serve them up. Enjoy your fries. Girls, enjoy.
Yummy.
Thank you so much for joining me at home. Thank you so much for joining me at home. I'll catch you next time.